When working on a CAD drawing, we will need different line types, also known as line styles in ARES Commander. In this case, for example, the circular viewport contains a line using a continuous line style. We could change this to dots. It is also possible to load other types of lines. For that, we can use the last option in this drop-down, which says Other, or click on this icon. Both will take you to the Line Style dialog box where you can load the line types. Press Load and note that several options appear. The line styles definitions are included in a file name with a .lin extension. You are free to create, use, and share other files. These are just text files with a .lin extension. Now select a line style and press OK. This will load the line style into our drawing. Next, we can select a viewport and change the line style. As you can see, the scale of the new line style is greater than what we need. This is where parameters such as global scale come in. You may, for example, change it to 1 to make the second line look better, although now the first one looks like a continuous line. In such a case, you could ask yourself if you are using the right set of line types, because in theory, the different line styles of a drawing should have compatible scales to avoid such issues. This explains why line styles definitions are grouped into a same file, and why you may end up customizing it. For example, here we have another line style that is called dotted, which also includes dots, and we load it into the drawing. When you change the first viewport by the line style dotted, we can see that the scale is now more consistent with the one used in the second viewport. Therefore, we can go to the global scale parameter and reduce it by half. We can now check that our dots are closer to each other and the line with spaces has a more appropriate scale. ARES Commander offers different combinations of line styles which are sometimes the same with only a different scale. In the next two videos, we will show you how to create custom line styles with two different methods. Do not miss also the extensive help offered by ARES Commander, in addition to the many video tutorials you can find in our channel.